ahead of the 6th phase and May 25th polling, a delegation from the Delhi BJP met with the Chief Electoral Officer on Wednesday, pressing for stringent verification of women voters donning burqa or face masks. The delegation emphasized that such measures executed by female officials are essential to thwart anti-social and anti-democratic elements from manipulating the election process across the Lok Sabha elections in the capital. Hello and welcome to More Tiranga, where we bring you the latest election updates. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. This demand comes after a recent incident involving BJP's Hyderabad candidate Madhavi Lata, who was booked by the election authorities for allegedly compelling burqa-clad voters to unveil for verification process. In this process, a Muslim woman left without casting her vote. We also have done a video on this matter. You can watch the whole video with the link attached in the description. Also, watch the short clip of the BJP candidate Madhavi Lata checking the identities of the burqa-clad women at the polling booth.
ये तो 38 है, आप 38 की कहाँ है? उठाइए। आपका दूसरा आधार कार्ड है आपका? हाँ, ये क्या है? पहले बनाई से कितने साल पहले बना ये? मुझे 38 इंडिया में तो 44 इंटी वयसु मैडम ఇలా ఉన్నాక డిలీట్ అయినట్టు ఉందా డిలీట్ అయిపోయినది మనం కాంటాక్ట్ చేసాం నేను పెళ్లి ఉంది ఉంది ఇడనే ఉంది ఏదో చెప్తున్నాను మేడం.
Now let's discuss about the delegation. The Delhi BJP's memorandum submitted to the CEO calls for rigorous identity checks to ensure the authenticity of votes casted by burqa or face mask wearing individuals. Prominent BJP figures including MLAs Ajay Mahavar and Mohan Singh Bisht, State Secretary Kishan Sharma and lawyer Neeraj Gupta spearheaded the delegation. Mahavar stressed that the necessity of these measures advocating for robust procedures to eliminate any potential for fraudulent voting. The memorandum emphasized the need to verify and cross-check the identities of burqa-clad voters in accordance with the Election Commission of India rules. Highlighting the public interest, particularly in the constituencies with high number of burqa-clad women voters, the BJP stated that a large number of burqa-clad women visit the polling booths for voting. Hence, their identity needs to be verified through appropriate government-mandated identity cards to prevent bogus voting. The BJP's delegation underscored the necessity of these measures to ensure the integrity of the electoral process, preventing any fraudulent activity. The memorandum also refers to the EC's handbook for presiding officers, which outlines the procedures for verifying an elector's identity. Now, let's take a look at this video wherein a man from Gujarat Dahod constituency can be seen manhandling the EVM and claiming that the BJP works here and the EVM belongs to his father.
એક જ ચાલે બાપુ મશીન બસીન બધું આપણા બાપનું જ છે મશીન છે આપણા બાપનું જ છે એક જ ચાલે
And have a look at this video where this boy votes multiple times to the BJP and records himself.
ये है नंबर दूसरा. ये है तीसरा नंबर विवेक का है. ठीक है, मैं डाल रहा हूँ वोट, देख लो. तीसरा नंबर है ये. तीसरा 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 ठीक है. ये है चौथा नंबर आ गया है. पांचवा देख लो, पांचवा. पांचवा है, पांचवा
Now, I have shared you every possible detail and findings. It's your turn to decide. The 2024 general elections in Delhi will be held on 25th May 2024 during the 6th phase to elect the 7 members of the 18th Lok Sabha elections. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.